Students, now let us look at some other important logistics and transportation concepts. One of them would be integrated logistics. Integrated logistics is a business that combines all aspects of the supply chain into one comprehensive system instead of managing it in its individual functions separately. Integrated logistics kya hai? If you can recall the previous courses, integrated logistics was all about integrating your inbound facility, inbound transportation or inbound logistics with your production facility or production logistics and your outbound logistics. So if you can actually integrate all three performance cycles, which are the inbound, production and outbound logistics, that concept would be actually known as integrated logistics. So in integrated logistics, you actually create the orchestration in which logistical activity can be performed smoothly. Then we have Intelligent Transportation System, ITS. It includes a broad number of information technologies that can provide an electronic communication link to cars and trucks, enabling drivers to be alert to road hazards, delays, construction and accidents. ITS system क्या है? आपका जो transport के लिए, whatever vehicle you have, the driver in that vehicle would be able to know beforehand if there is some construction going on, or if there is some hazard, or if there would be any delay because of some barrier or because of some hurdle there. So he would know before time. So intelligent transportation system is actually an information system that actually enables to have a smooth transportation. At the same time, ITS can transmit driving directions and a wealth of additional driving related information. ITS enables automated drive through toll collections and truck pre-clearance along highways and at bridge and tunnel crossings. ITS technologies are likewise in use at border stations, point of entry and customs checkpoint. इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी information, as it is an information system and it is actually at the level of DSS, the decision support system. It can provide a variety of information to the drivers, such as what would be the routing and what would be the smallest route, let's say, and if the driver has the flexibility in choosing one or two routes, smaller routes, that information can also be provided. Weather-related information would also be provided if that vehicle is going from one region to another region or from one city to another city. Similarly, it can be used at the borders. ITS technologies are actually used at the borders for getting the accurate and timely information. We have intermodal transportation. Now, what is intermodal transportation? Intermodal transportation is actually the transportation of freight involving more than one type of mode of carrier. For example, a container of freight may first be carried by a truck, then placed on a train car, and eventually moved to the deck of a cargo ship before reaching its final destination. So, intermodal transportation आपके पास क्या है? You know that concept before. If the mode of transportation actually changes, when you say mode of transportation changes, it means, let's say, first there is a truck which is taking that cargo to the seaport. Now from that seaport, that cargo or that container would be offloaded and it would be loaded on a ship. So there is like a change of your mode of transportation, intermodal transportation. Thank you.